Hello Storyboarders, my name is Eric and today I'm going to show you how to make a matching worksheet using one of Storyboard That's pre-made templates. So let's get started. Now we have a ton of great options, but I think I'm going to go with this nice simple one here. Just click the copy template button below and this will bring us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then ask us to give our template a name. Now you can name yours whatever you would like. I'm just going to call mine template 1 and then click continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize this template. This is where we get to add characters, items, scenes, update the text, make any changes that we want to. So first I would like to add a character. So if we go up to our characters menu, I am going to search the 16 to 1800s as I'd like to match a character in a scene from like the American Revolution period. So we have all these great characters here, and one way to simplify our search is if we go to filters, we can select American Revolution, and this helps to narrow down our search. All right, great. All right, now I'm going to grab this Benjamin Franklin character. Now all you have to do is just drag and drop your character into the storyboard, and there we go. Now we get to customize our character. This is where we get to change facial expressions, poses, colors, any changes that we want to make. All right, and then when you're all set, just click Update Pose, and there's our character. Now, you can move them anywhere you want in your storyboard, as well as resize them. All you have to do is drag the corner of the image, and there we go. Now, I would like Benjamin Franklin to fit inside this box here. So, if we select our character, go to the right-hand menu, we can select Crop, and now we can crop him down. So we have a bit of a transparency so I can see what is behind him, which is very helpful. So I can just line it up with the box I want him cropped in. And when we have that correct, just click OK. And there we go. Now I don't need this green box behind him, so I'm just going to delete that. All right, great. Now I would like to add a scene next to match our Benjamin Franklin character. So let's go up to our scenes menu, and we're going to go under US History. All right, now I have this signing of the Constitution scene right here. So I'm going to grab this, just drag and drop like my characters, and we're going to manually resize this since I want this to be in the box. So we're just going to line this up and grab this corner and shrink it down a little bit. All right, there we go. Now, if you want to add a scene to fill all of this extra space, you can definitely do that. So let's stay in our scenes menu, and I'm going to go over to patterns. And you have a ton of great options. So let's scroll until we find something that we like. All right, I think I'm going to go with this simple gradient right here. So just drag and drop. And now that we have this in the template, if we go over to our stretch to fill button, we can now fill this in the entire frame. So let's click non-proportional, click OK. All right, now we have our scene in place. Let's send this all the way to the back. And let's change those colors up a little bit. I think I'd like to have a white fade into red. Red's a little dark, so we can choose any one of these other pre-selected colors, or you can select your own color. Just click this right box, and now we can select from the color palette. Let's make this a little bit brighter, and just click choose. All right, and there we go. Now next is items. Now you can browse the items menu and we have all of these fun categories, or you can search for a specific item in the upper right hand search menu. Now I would like to pull down some food, so let's grab this corn. Apparently Ben Franklin was a big fan of corn. There we go. All right, great. Now, last but not least is text. Now, you can edit any of the pre-existing text boxes. All you have to do is select the font and put in whatever you would like. So let's just call this the Constitution. All right. Now, a nice feature that we have is if you do make any spelling mistakes, the text will let you know. There we go. We get our red underline. I'm always a little unsure on how to spell Constitution, so now I know that is correct. All right, now you can also change the text font as well as its size. Just highlight what you want to change and go over to your text editor, and let's grab a new font. Let's have something that feels a little old-timey and appropriate. All right, we have this nice script here. And let's make this a little bit larger so it's easier to read. Let's go really big, actually. All right, perfect. Now, when you're all done making the changes to your matching template, all you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button down on the bottom. And that is how you make a template using Storyboard That. All right, thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.